Yo, check it out. Right over here. Dang! Dang! Look at that thing. Yeah, right there. Perfect. Ooh! Yo! There it is, guys. The Lambo? Oh, this is gonna be sick. Oh, man. Oh, what? Oh, this is tight, dude. Savage. Hey, look at that thing go. Ooh, man, this is so sick.
It got dirty on the road because of the, it was raining.
I know, but aren't we ripping all this off?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Sweet, dude. This is awesome.
See, I think this thing got jacked up. It came previously wrapped when I bought it, but see all the pitting it did? I guess I don't know if the wrap just broke down.
So this is wrapped, right?
Yeah. See, here's the original. Is like a...
Oh, it's like a gray silver in there. You know what brand this is?
The brand wrap?
Yeah, yeah.
No, because it came wrapped, so I...
All right. Cool. All right. Well, who are you? Where are you from? How do you have this Lambo?
I'm from Roner Park.
Okay.
Originally from San Francisco.
Okay.
But, yeah, I live in Roner Park, California right now. It's 2008 Lamborghini Gallardo.
Yeah.
It's got the full carbon package, custom interior, custom steering.
2008, you say?
2008.
Gallardo. Is this a V8 or V10?
V10.
Ooh, dang. Okay. Sick. Do they even come V8 Lambos? No, they're all V10s or V12s, right?
V10 or V12. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. But is it twin turbo or anything like that?
I just drive it.
Oh. How do we open this up?
Oh yeah, we'll go back.
All right. Let's pop this bad boy up. Because I'm gonna need to take this wing off too. So we might as well do that.
Okay.
I might be able to work it without taking the wing off. So we'll see. All right. Let me see it. I've never worked one of these things before.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to show you a little.
All right, show me the
tricks and quirks. And so just to open it, you're gonna press the left button. You see the little picture of the top down, and you just press and hold it.
Okay.
And you got to keep holding it down until it's completed. Oh. The windows will roll back up once it's completed its cycle. Because if it stops mid-cycle, then it kind of gets locked up.
Okay. Oh, so you have to open the back. You have to take the top off. How do I like just keep it popped up? How do I look? How do you look at the engine?
Okay, I'll show you.
Oh, okay, okay.
We'll put it in. It's called service mode.
Oh, okay.
So to do that, you got to.
All right, so you got to go into convertible mode first.
No, I thought you just wanted the top down.
Oh no, I need to see that.
Right. Yeah, you hold both buttons down.
Both buttons.
I think it's for 5 or 7 seconds. Then it should open the service bay. Let's see.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, you just hold down both, and then it'll just open the rear hatch.
Dude.
And you could do this with the top up. You just hold down both.
Oh, okay. I see. That's as high as it goes?
Well, then you have a little thing here.
Oh, okay.
You got to pull this cord. There's a whole bunch of tricks. So you pull this cord.
Okay.
Then you lift.
And then you lift.
And then it'll lock.
Okay.
That's it. And then to put it back down,
that's as high as it goes up.
That's as high as it'll get.
Dude, I guess they pull the motor out from the bottom, huh? If they need to?
I don't know.
There it is. Oh, the mid-engine. Oh, so to put it back, all you gotta do is just pull this thing again?
No, you're gonna push this other way. You
put it up?
Hold this, like support this.
Okay. Yeah.
Push this tab in.
Oh, okay.
And it'll kind of lower a little bit, and then that's it. And then you go in and.
Oh, okay. But does it hurt to leave it in this position?
No, you can leave it like this.
Okay, because when I'm wrapping it, I'm gonna need to leave it in this position.
Oh yeah, no.
Okay. Sick.
This is called like service mode, so how they do the oil and stuff like that.
Oh, I don't know about this wing thing. Okay. I think I got a handle on what I gotta do here. This is sick. How do I pop the frunk? I'm asking you all the questions.
That one's more simple. Little lever right here. Just pull forward.
Okay. Sweet. There it is. And then we just pop this up.
Yeah, it should be right there.
Okay.
Right there. Yep. There you go.
Cool. All right. We're gonna peel this whole thing off now. You have no idea what it looks like under here.
Never seen it.
All right. Do you care?
Kinda, but yeah, no, I was told that it's, you know, it's in showroom condition.
All right. Normally, I make people peel their own cars. The only exception is because I think this will make good content.
Okay.
But there are some disclosures you have to know.
Right.
Number one.
So, yeah.
There could be damage in here when I do this.
Okay.
All right. I can't guarantee you that the paint under here won't start getting ripped off when you peel the wrap.
Right.
I have no, so anything that happens under this car, I'm not responsible for.
Okay.
Sign here.
Just
All right. And then I won't be taking any of this apart.
Okay.
I could take the mirror off, but I'll see. If there's a video on how to do it, I will do it.
Okay.
Okay. But if there's no video on how to take a 2008, was it Gallardo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Apart, I'm gonna run probably a seam over here somewhere.
Okay.
Are you okay with that?
Yeah, totally.
All right.
Yeah.
I don't want to damage your car. They tell me that Italian cars are easy to take off just because it's all handmade. So it's not like the, you know, it's not like those other ones where it's like the machines do it for you.
Right.
So in theory, this mirror should be easy to take apart.
Okay.
If it's easy, I will do it.
Okay.
Other than that, I don't really want to mess with this wing thing. Yeah. I see right here.
Yeah, you just go around
Yeah, I see right here. There's like a whole bunch of mechanisms. Means I have to like disassemble this whole thing. So I don't want to mess with it. I'm gonna run a seam right here. It's a very small seam, and then a seam up top, right here somewhere. Okay. But I'll peel the rest of it. Okay. You want the vents black?
Yeah, if you can keep them black, because this is wrap. If you could still do the. So kind of what I wanted was, I guess the black parts that they had black, just keep it
black.
Yeah, just, you know.
Oh, you don't have to tell me twice.
But there's like there's a little. I'm wondering if you can do it. So. If you could two-tone the hood.
I could two-tone it.
Maybe like, you know, a black stripe.
Just one black stripe?
Or no, if you could do a double, like offset on the driver's side, like two.
Well,
maybe I could send you.
Hand cutting, okay, you gotta send me a picture of what that looks like. But hand cutting, or even with the tape cutting, it's not very accurate. You need like a machine to do it.
Okay.
Right? What people normally do is they have a machine that plots the whole thing, and it's like all on a piece of tape. And then you just line it up, and then the whole thing is lined up. I would never recommend having me hand cut you some stripes.
Oh, I seen your work, man.
Well, if you look really closely, it's never going to be perfect.
Well, you know, nobody's going to.
But
like that.
You sure you want to cover all the glitter up with some stripes? I think you would like, since we're glitter wrapping this thing, I think you would like as much glitter as possible.
Oh yeah, I do. Yeah.
So
I just thought it would look good to break up the black, since I got, you know, the black vents, black top, and maybe some.
Well, you won't have a lot of black here. Let me show you what it looks like on my car, and then you can decide. Okay. Do you want this left in black?
Yeah, I don't think this is a wrap, is it?
No.
Yeah.
But I can glitter if you want.
Yeah, no, we'll keep this in black.
All right. Yeah. What about the mirrors?
I think on the bottom, I don't know if you'd be able to wrap the feel this. It's all textured.
I can glitter wrap this mirror.
I was thinking like half and half, like, you know, like the bottom glitter, because it's on the top just the black.
If I was to recommend it to you, the glitter only looks good in the sun, so I would do it glitter on top, black on the bottom. Okay. How about just glitter right here? Let's do that. And then here, let me show you. Let me show you. Okay, let's go check out my car.
What color is it?
You like this one?
Oh, man, I don't want to see it. What color is that?
You would have to leave with me longer if I order a new roll. This is the lavender purple glitter.
Oh my god! When I saw it, I was like, oh no. Why do you have this
out there? The quality of this is not as great as this.
So this is like the
this is the best quality.
Oh wow!
So yeah, feel this.
Yeah.
How's that
not
feel?
Like it's almost like I don't know. It's very lightly textured. It's almost flat.
Yeah. Now
but
touch
it's
that.
Very. Oh yeah.
Rougher.
No. Oh yeah. It's like you can sand something with this.
You can't sand something with this. This is improved version. They haven't made this in those colors yet. They only made it in white.
Yeah, that hits hard. That one hits hard.
Hey, we can always redo it next year, whenever you want. In a couple of months. Okay. Okay. So this is what you're gonna look at getting. It might look a little different than this because this is a fully chrome car under here. So This is probably a little
Oh, yeah,
brighter.
because the wrap's kind of translucent, right? So
Yeah, and I ended up being lazy and not peel my chrome, so it just looks like so it looks like
the
that.
undertone of that probably.
And this is what your mirror would potentially look like with just the top done.
Right. Yeah.
So it
Now
it glitters, it glows. You know.
How you did that instead of
Yeah. So I think a fully glitter hood will probably look better than one with a stripe on it.
Okay.
But this is exactly what you will get. We're about to be matching.
Oh yeah. Sweet.
Dude, awesome. Okay. So you like it?
Oh, I love it.
All right. This is purely experimental stuff. The longest I've had a version of this on a car is 1 year on my Audi, and then I changed it.
Okay.
Right. But after 1 year, because my Audi sits in the sun all day long, it got there's a lot of glue residue, so I don't recommend keeping it longer than a year if you park it outside.
Oh yeah, no, it's always garage. Yeah.
Yeah, if you're a garage, then it could potentially last, I don't know, 2 or 3 years or so. I'm gonna test it and find out. But I know this version is better, so you're gonna get this version here.
How's it on the staining? Because I know some of like the tire.
Oh yeah.
Tire shine.
Yeah, I'll give you the full gambit guide. Don't put anything greasy on it. But other than that, it's really easy to wash. I literally just I got some bird poop like on the hood at some point, and I just blasted with the hose, and then you just keep blasting until it goes away, and then you just dab dry with a towel.
Okay.
That's it. The longer.
Armor coat this?
What?
Could you armor coat this?
No.
No.
I don't coat anything with this. I mean, some people are like, why don't you PPF over this thing, or like spray a clear coat?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'll experiment with it, but not on your car. We don't know yet. No one's really done this outside of Dubai, you know? So now you're gonna get that Dubai drip on the Lambo. Dude, it's gonna look so good.
Wait.
All right.
Looking at that. Oh, man.
Oh, you like the purple?
Oh my god.
We can redo it in purple.
Like you said, a year. Okay. Year.
Yeah. Yeah, if you once you get tired of this, we can redo it in purple. Or you get another one.
Yeah. Yeah.
2 Lambos. Huh?
You gotta hit another jackpot for that.
Hey, how hard is it to maintain this thing?
Like mechanical maintenance?
Like, is it true that it's like $25,000 to change the oil on this car?
It's $1,200 bucks.
It's 1200.
1200.
Okay, so it's not in the 20,000s.
No.
That's like on the newer models.
That would be nuts. I never.
How many
heard
times
that.
have you changed the oil on this?
Never.
Never? Because you don't drive it.
No, exactly. I only put 500 miles on. I had it 3 years. And
Oh, okay.
500 miles.
Yeah, so if I was to get one of these things, I would drive it all the time.
That's what I
So
thought
I'm
in the
like-
beginning, but I was like, I didn't want to leave it anywhere. You know what I mean? So anywhere I go, I just go and come.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. You don't want to like park it for like 8 hours.
Oh, I'd be the unfortunate one that somebody's gonna shopping cart it or something like that.
But hey, since I can wrap, I can just, if it gets damaged, I can just keep redoing it. So I'm not that afraid. But I'm considering it, except I think the cost of maintaining these are too high from what I understand. But 1200 is not bad.
I mean, it's not too bad, and you could do it yourself. You know?
You can.
Or you could do it yourself.
Okay.
The next expensive thing I think would be on this is the clutch, because it has like a clutch life.
Yeah.
Starts at 100%, it works its way down,
It tells you-
mine's at 25% right now.
It tells you on the dash?
No, you got to go to like a dealership and they
okay.
plug it in.
A
So
clutch
once it
life.
gets down to about 10%, you got to change it, and it's 15 grand for that.
Oh! Oh!
So I'm babying it.
No! There it is! All right, I guess I'm not getting a Lambo. What about Ferraris and all the other exotics? The same thing?
I'm sure it is. Yeah.
Oh, man. Hey, these guys just running a racket. I'm just going to get one of these, rip the motor out, LS swap it.
Yeah, the money doesn't stop when you buy it. It keeps going. Start
Okay, reverse?
So, okay. Reverse. It's washed out, but there's a reverse button.
This is reverse.
That's your reverse button.
Okay.
If you put on brake, just hit it, and then you'll see it change up here to R for reverse.
Oh, okay.
For example, say you reversed it, to get out of reverse, both paddles in, brings it back to neutral. Then to go, you have to put it in first, pull the paddle in one,
okay.
and then, you won't have to shift out.
All right, good. I'm not going anywhere. It's just going to go around here like this.
Okay. I have GPS tracking on it.
Oh, of course. No, I don't want to take the risk.
I don't.
The only time that the car goes is if you want to take me for a ride in it.
Yeah, we are. We're going for a ride.
Oh, we're gonna go for a ride?
Yeah.
When, right now?
You want to go right now?
Oh, right now?
You want it?
Okay.
All right.
Let's do it. All right, we're hopping in my first Lambo ride. Oh, this is exciting. All that carbon. Sick. Jeez.
Good country.
Oh my goodness. This sounds amazing.
It's the way it hugs the horns, like no.
Oh my, oh dang, look at that. It's just hugging it.
Yeah.
So it controls really well, huh?
Oh yeah. It feels like it's glued to the ground.
Dude. This is not good, guys. Even though it's expensive to keep up, I kind of want one now. All right, we're gonna extend this down. Oh, I love it. Oh man, okay.
Where are we at?
Just keep going straight.
Okay. Oh.
All right, just a little update on the animals. We got Willie. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. So we're letting them out for a little bit. It's a Sunday. Michelle's cleaning the horse. We got this new shed right here to store all the animal food. So just a little update, just because, you know, this is a different setup. We're used to like the cars and the animals mixing. So now I got to figure out how to kind of do that. They're not really used to this front area yet. So we're working on it. We're working on it for those of you guys who like the animal content. So I'm dropping some of this in. But let's go check out the Lambo. As you can tell, this is the next day. And I'm starting to peel it right now. So you can see here. The peeling looks like it's going okay because there's no, I don't think there's any issues in the paint. So we'll check it out. But basically it's really easy to peel wrap. You just grab some and you start yanking on it. I mean, you don't want to do this when it's cold. You want to do it when it's hot. So I got it parked in the sun with the top down. So you can just easily just get to all the panels, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna finish peeling and we'll continue that process and what it looks like under the wrap on the next video. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about getting this type of Lamborghini or like the cheaper Ferraris. These are probably good exotic cars to start out with because they're not like the 250, you know, $300,000 ones, but still the maintenance cost is super crazy. Like, I don't know, 15K to do like a clutch and like a whole bunch of money to do oil. it would just encourage you to not drive it. So I would never want to own a car where I don't drive it. So I don't know. I do kind of want exotic though. So if anyone knows about whether or not the maintenance cost is the same for McLarens and you know, like Ferraris and stuff like that, let me know in the comments below. If there's a more viable option that's like a more friendly daily driver, that's also an exotic, maybe the R8. So let me know what you guys think about this car and the color we're gonna be doing it. Ooh, it's gonna be so sick in that white glitter. So until next time, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.